front of me is OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this device. Start by opening settings and choosing password and security. Then click on face over here and enter your current login method. After that, just continue and remember to keep your face in frame. Now you need to select Done over here, and following that, when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to unlock my OPPO. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!